Let's explore 30 beautiful flowers and what each one means. Rose. The rose is famous for love, and its different colours send special messages, red for romance and yellow for friendship. Tulip. The tulip stands for perfect love and caring, bright and simple like a kind hug. Carnation. The carnation says thank you and admiration, a sweet flower to give someone you appreciate. Camellia. The camellia feels very elegant and means devotion and deep respect for someone special. Geranium. The geranium stands for friendship and comfort, like a cozy friend by your side. Freesia. The freesia is bright and happy, meaning trust and joyful friendship. Forget-me-not. The little forget-me-not means true love and memories, reminding us not to forget those we care about. Sunflower. The sunflower turns to the sun and means happiness, warmth, and cheer. Daisy. The daisy is simple and sweet, standing for innocence and new beginnings. Marigold. The marigold glows with colour and means joy, creativity, and sunny energy. Peony. The peony is full and lovely, symbolising good luck and romantic feelings. Chrysanthemum. The chrysanthemum means cheerfulness and a long, happy life. Daffodil. The daffodil pops up in spring and stands for hope and fresh starts. Zinnia. The zinnia is bright and bold, meaning lasting affection and fond memories. Lavender. Lavender smells calm and gentle, and it means peace and relaxation. Lotus. The lotus grows from the mud into a beautiful bloom and stands for purity and growth. Jasmine. Jasmine is sweet and fragrant, meaning sweetness and a little bit of good luck. Cherry blossom, sakura. Cherry blossoms bloom briefly and remind us of beauty, renewal, and life's moments. Gardenia. The gardenia is creamy and lovely, symbolizing purity and secret love. Bluebell. The bluebell is delicate and charming, meaning kindness and thankfulness. Violet. The violet is small and gentle, standing for loyalty and modesty. Orchid. The orchid is elegant and special, meaning beauty and inner strength. Magnolia. The magnolia is grand and steady, symbolizing dignity and endurance. Hibiscus. The hibiscus is bright and cheerful, meaning delicate beauty and joyful days. Iris. The iris has bold shapes and stands for wisdom, hope, and messages of care. Hydrangea. The hydrangea is full of fluffy blooms and means gratitude and heartfelt feelings. Anemone. The anemone is a gentle windflower that can mean protection and a touch of luck. Poppy. The poppy is soft and memorable, often standing for peace and remembrance. Snapdragon. The snapdragon has playful shapes and means grace, courage, and resilience. Lily. The lily is pure and elegant, symbolizing purity and a fresh new start. Those are 30 wonderful flowers and their little meanings. Which one did you like best? Thanks for watching and see you next time.